So, hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me. If you are new here, allow me to say welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back. So, as you can see by the thumbnail, oh my gosh, we do have the Ipsy X. I did have to wait for something. Anyway, if you want to see what this is all about and why I have so much to say about it, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay, yes guys, so we are here and it is the Ipsy X. Now, in all honesty, I've had this for a very long time. Very long time. I want to say like 2 weeks at least. And the reason I had to wait is because I have an extra product that I had to wait for, okay? And I will get into that in a second. But first, let me just say a special welcome to the newcomers and to my ride or dies, my OGs, people who have been with me. We do have a lot of newcomers. My name is Stephanie. I am the host, and I will be your host for as long as it takes to go over the items in this box. Now, I'm just going to say what I have to say very quickly and get through it. So, this is a beauty channel. We do everything that's related to beauty, both inside and out, the mind, the body, and the soul. And I like to say that because if I can make you laugh, if I can make you smile, that's wonderful. You can be yourself here, and we get to like do unboxings and try-ons and just dive into makeup. So, you know, that's always fun as well. If you are just passing through or you are new to the channel just for your first time being here and you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. It would mean the world. And if you could rate the video thumbs up, that would really, really help me out. The channel is growing like ever so much and my hair is all over the place, guys. Don't mind me. It's super early in the morning, and I'm just trying to hold it together because I'm hecka tired. Your girl's hecka tired. Hecka tired. All right, listen, without further ado, let's go ahead and grab this box and get into it because, oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. So as you can see, it is sealed. All right, we know we got the seal there. I'm going to go ahead and cut it like right here. Okay. All right, so when I open it up, we have this magazine that comes with, it's like a newspaper telling you about the items. Now remember, I do have this. I'm going to set this aside because we are going to go over that, and I will explain to you why I have that and all that jazz. Okay, so when you open it up and I pull back the foam, there is this. Okay, I have the box down here aside of me because I just don't have any room, and I do have to look at this. Now, first thing I'm pulling out, I'm just reaching in, guys. I don't even know. Oh yes, let's talk about this one. And the reason we'll get this one out of the way is because, as you can see, I have two. Before I got the box, I tried to email them very quickly because I did see my pics, right? You know how they put the box together and they show you what you have. Normally, I won't look through that, but I did just because I was hoping for one thing, and of course, I didn't get it. But, well, I do have it, but I didn't get it this way. Anyway, and that's another video. So, all right. So what they sent me when I'm looking, they sent me the Anastasia Brow Pen, okay? This is Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is valued at $22. And it is bold brows are the Chloe signature. We all know, but I don't look anything like her. It says this pen makes it easy. Superfine tip helps create realistic looks. When I reached out to them, because I was not happy with this box at all, and I did reach out to them. I didn't say, oh, I want this. Can you send me that? I just said, listen, what is going on with the skincare? As you will see in this box, okay? My previous boxes, not the X, but I'm talking about the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. All skincare for like months and months. I couldn't handle anymore. I have so much skincare. So I was considering pausing it, and I was talking to them about it, and I emailed them about it. Well, I mentioned to them, listen, you sent me a brow pen. I said, are you looking at the profile? I do not have blonde hair. Guys, my hair is like brown, light brown, brown. I mean, I definitely use taupe or like medium brown. So this is blonde, and I can't use, one of them is blonde. I don't know, whichever one it is. Well, yeah, this one is blonde. Okay, I can't use that. So that's a dead product to me. I asked them, why did you send me blonde? I don't have blonde hair. On my profile, it definitely says brown hair. I have brown hair. Well, they apologized, and they said, we will absolutely send you another one. Well, they sent me the dark brown, which, I mean, I don't know if I could get away with dark brown. I don't think so. So they did send me this. In all fairness, they did try, is what I'm saying. Thank you, Ipsy, for trying. Okay, so that's $22. Now, Then we do have this. This is vacuum. This is Pores No More's vacuum cleaner from Dr. Brandt. Right there, I will show you. Apparently, I did pick this. I don't remember. Let me click on this because I can't find it in here. That's the thing. I don't even see a picture of it anywhere. Like, here are all the items you could get right here. And it's nowhere in there. But it's a pore purifying mask. And this is valued at $42. Okay, so that is my second item. So the third item that I have here is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I know I did pick this. How much is this? This is $16. I'm pretty sure I did pick this because I wanted to try it. I've never tried it. And given my choices, this was the most interesting thing there. I'm telling you, every choice, there was a group of however many. They were all skincare. I was like, oh my God. But you'll see. Let me reach in. What am I pulling out now? Now, this I wasn't too upset about getting, although I do actually have one right here. So this makes two, but I do like it. So I'm working on a mini. Once I'm done with that, I will go to this one, and then at least I'll have backup. I hope it won't expire by then. Does it say when it's expired? No. The box is a little crushed. This is the box that came in that one. This is the one that I had over here. Anyway, that I did swap for that, but you will see. This is $39. Which I thought it was more than that, but okay, $39. I do like Ole Henriksen. I saw here that there was the Banana Bright Face Primer. I don't need another primer. Guys, I'm not really a big primer person, to be honest with you. I do like the e.l.f. Lock It Down Moisturizing Primer. That doesn't really feel like primer. It feels like another moisturizer, so that's always good. We have the Tower 28 Shine On in the shade Cashew. So I'm guessing this is a lip. Where is that? Okay, here it is. This is valued at $14. It says this vegan, cruelty-free, and derm-tested gloss is made with plant-based ingredients, like apricot oil and raspberry seed oil. So, am I liking that shade? It's, I don't know, guys. I don't know. All depends. I have to, I'm going to look at this, like, see if I can see somebody else that has it and see if they do a swatch. If it's pigmented, then I will not be keeping it. And it will just have to go in a giveaway or what have you. Because that's just a little too orange for me. But if it's just like a little wash of color, I could pull it off. And again, that's valued at $14. All right, the next item, like I'm not even looking, I'm just pulling up. Okay, so this I guess is the boom of the box. Or maybe not. Yeah, it probably is. This is the 1-1 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. And I already know that this, I do like the bottle. I mean, it's a glow thing that you would probably mix in with your moisturizer or put it on by yourself, you know, after moisturizing or whatever, to kind of give you that lit within glow, I'm pretty sure. So guys, I had to cut that whole part out. This is the Chloe Secret Weapon for skin that looks lit from within. It contains rose water and niacinamide to brighten skin, hydrating hyaluronic acid to plump, and light reflecting gold to instantly illuminate your complexion. So yeah, from a lit with from in, and it's $135 because 1-1 Skin is hella expensive always. Okay, no matter what you get, it's always going to be expensive. But I will say, like, the face cream is very good. The eye stuff is amazing, but it's so super expensive. Okay, so I don't know what I have now. What is this? This is, okay. Now, I wasn't too upset with this because I actually do use this, guys. I have this in my skin fridge right there. Okay, my battery's gonna die. Okay, sorry, guys. I had to plug my phone in. All right, so where were we? CEO Sunday Riley. This is the vitamin C and turmeric facial oil, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, vitamin C and turmeric facial oil, which I do like. It's good for dark spots. Fast absorbing oil is packed with a cocktail of skin brighteners. So this is valued at $40, which that is right because I do remember from the last one. And then I did get the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. Now, as you can see, this is like a total skincare box unless you want to count these two items. I mean, the wrong shade for sure. And okay, a lip gloss. So those are the two items. Everything else is skincare. Now, am I happy that I have them Charlotte Tilbury? I will say that, you know, I should be like, oh my God. But the thing is, I have this actually. I got it in a Beautylish as a sample. So it is very bougie, and I'm sure y'all seen this. This is the one like everybody wanted. I am happy to get it. Do I think it's worth $100? No, and I've tried it, okay? It's a moisturizer, you know. A good moisturizer. It does moisturize. Let me just tell you what I would have liked to have gotten. At least one of the palettes. Patrick Star. Even though the palette is not what I would call the most exciting palette, but it is a nice palette. And I did get it. Okay, but I had to swap for it. All right. That will be in another video because when I use it, I'm going to do it on camera. So I will leave the total of my box right here. But let's just recap. We do have the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. We do have the 1-1 Skin, or 111 Skin, sorry. And then we have the Ole Henderson, which I am happy about getting because now I have a backup to my backup. We have the Dr. Pores. I picked this because I know a lot of people do like this, but I probably won't be using it. It'll be probably going in a giveaway for one of you guys, okay? That's why I picked it. I did not pick the Tower 28. They did, okay? So that's there. And then we do have the Anastasia Brow. I'm swapping this with someone. And I do have the dark brown, which I don't know what I'm going to be doing with. I don't think I can use it. I really don't. Then we do have the Morphe setting spray and the Sunday Riley, which these two items I am happy to get back up again, and I'm first time trying it. So I'm not saying these are bad items. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying, where's the makeup? You know what I mean? Oh, and what I was trying to say is when I told her about the color of the dark brown wasn't really the right shade either. I said, but thank you for trying. Like I did thank them. I was very nice about everything. I wasn't really like, you know, I didn't come at them or anything. I just was like, I don't understand, like, why is there so much skincare? I do have on my profile makeup heavy, like you know, more makeup than skincare. And that's been forever. And then these last months, it's always, if you think back to all my videos, it's either been tools, which I've picked, or just skincare that they've sent me. So it's kind of like getting redundant. I'm getting overloaded. I said, I'm going to have to pause because I don't need any more skincare. Like I really don't. So after picking sending me this dark one, and shout out to Mary over at Ipsy, customer service rep. She is very nice. I did ask to speak to somebody, you know, personally, not the robot thing. And she was very nice. I'm not saying she wasn't. She was very nice. She was very much trying. And I do appreciate that. So shout out to you, Mary, if you're watching. I'm going to tag Ipsy in the video. She asked me to do that. And I absolutely am. They did say because of the brow product was too dark, you know, because they gave me dark brown instead of medium brown. They told me to pick a product. So I did. And then she was away, I guess, you know, her days off or whatever. When she came back, the item that I picked was out. They didn't have it anymore. So I was like, you know what? It's fine. Like, don't worry about it. Well, she said, listen, I'm going to send you 3 products from the small add-ons, the $3 add-ons. So I figured, let me pick the Pat McGrath, like, gloss, right? So the shade that I picked, or actually all of them were out by the time she got back. She said, I'm so sorry, we were out of them. She kind of was like really trying. Like, I got to give it to them. They were really trying, and I do really appreciate it. Like, I like Ipsy, guys. I really do. I don't want to pause them. You know what I mean? It's just like, when am I doing all the skincare? I just have a lot. Like, even putting like a whole skincare giveaway together, I still would have a lot, and it would be hecka heavy to ship. I do try to incorporate skincare in any prizes that I send you guys, some form or fashion, you know. But there's just a lot. I have so much. And I have so many things open, too. She did say, listen, the last email I got from her, other than me responding back, was, I'm sorry. We don't have that item that you picked. I could just picture her writing that she probably didn't even want to send that email. But, I mean, I wasn't, like, going crazy or anything. I was just like, okay. You know, it is what it is, and I may have to pause. She said, listen, I sent you 3 items. I think you're going to like them. She's like, so, but I have yet to get them, and I couldn't wait any longer. But we'll see, and when I do get them, I will absolutely do a video on them, you know, thanking Ipsy. You know, anything they send me, I didn't want them to send me new items or more items. I just wanted for next month not to be so much skincare. So a shout out to Mary again. Thank you very much for helping me, Mary. You know, I do appreciate the fact that you sent me 3 presents that I have no idea what they are. You didn't have to do that. You know, I do appreciate it, but you did not have to do that, and I am very appreciative. So, guys, I guess the point what I'm trying to make is, if you're not happy with one of your boxes, or continuously, like if it was a one-off, I would have never written them. But it's been constant now, and I've been seeing it over and over again. So I did just mention them, like, you know, could you please like look at my profile, because it's been the same profile. I haven't changed it. You know, you can always ask them, you know, is there an issue? Or how can we fix this? Or just maybe be nice about it. Don't, you know, attack them or anything. Just, you know what I mean? I think it's always nice to have a a relationship with the boxes, you know, even though Ipsy is ginormous. But it doesn't matter. We don't have to get lost in a sea of faces, you know, or numbers or account numbers or what have you. And it's nice to know that they were treating me like a human being. Just saying that. I've jabbered for long enough. Again, that is my Ipsy X for the month of May. And I only did pay $55 for the box. So either way you look at it, I did get my money's worth. Again, value for me is the products I can use. So not so much in that aspect. But hey, like I said, what I don't get gets given to you guys. So, all right, guys, there you have it. Thank you so much for hanging in there with me and watching this video. I do appreciate it. I'm looking forward to June coming. I really am. So, until I see you in the next one, please remember, if you are going through something, please share about it. Do not hold it in. It's just very dangerous to do that. It can cause more harm than good. Also, please be that ear for someone to share with. And most of all, guys, in this crazy mixed up world, please remember, stay safe. Till the next one, guys. See ya.